Shivali, which is our country?
State.
Which is our country?
India.
Very good. Which is our state?
Karnataka.
Very good. What is your name?
My name is Srivalli. Sri Sai.
Shrivalli.
Srivalli. Yes, sir. Srivalli.
Yes. Okay. What is the name of your school?
Sri Sai Nikla School.
Very good.
Very good.
Shivali, where do you live?
Chittadurga.
Very good. Which is our national fruit?
Mango.
Very good. Which is our national flower?
Kamala.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ?
Poo.
ಲೋಟಸ್.
Lotus.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Hey,